Hello, today is Sunday the 7th of June. It's 9:47 already and I am in Rennes. I will show you some maps. Right, let's go for a run. The Ouverture Park. There's a little lake. Exiting the park. Oh, it stinks there. There are so many people running on Sunday morning. Hey. I don't really feel anything. That. Alright, I'm at about 350 kilometers. I'm at 4 kilometers now. What are those? Can't walk or run. Wait, hold on, look. All colibris are beautiful. So I'm at 520 kilometers. I don't mean to film when there are homeless people, but sometimes I just realize there are people there as I'm filming. So yeah, but obviously just to give them some privacy, I don't want to film them. I am at 670 kilometers. We have ducks and baby ducks. I don't really hear any frogs. I've stopped the music. Alright, so I'm at 850 kilometers, but I'm not home yet. Alright, so I'm home. I'm all sweaty, and that's a total of 10.05 kilometers. Actually, it wasn't 10 when I arrived at my building. I needed like 200 meters more, so I just ran in my street. Alright, so that was a very nice run. The weather is not that good, so yeah, but at least it wasn't too warm. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. My name is Christelle. I love to take photos, to explore France or other countries whenever I can. So if you want to see more of that, please subscribe. That would be really, really cool. And again, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.